Okay, hello. So I'm gonna show you how to make a Minecraft server, a Minecraft with version 1.16.3. So what you have to do, you just need to download the server jar in the Minecraft.net. You can get it for free. After that, you need to download the software from the NGRock. You need to download the software from NGRock. So basically, this software apparently led through your connection to your computer. I don't know. I don't really understand how these things really work. But you can just search it to their website and then check out how they really works. So this thing is a little bit different from the VPN like Hamachi, Tongo, or Game Ranger or something else, or etc. So you need to sign up first before you can get the download. Just sign up, and then after you finish your sign up, just get to the main account and then download the software. You can get for the Windows version if you're using Windows, use the Linux if you're using Linux, macOS, etc. After you download the file, you can just extract it at whatever you want. Just like this, I made a new folder called game server, so I put all the server jar and ngrok in here. So after that, what you need to do, you need to open the terminal. If you're using a Windows, you just type search and then cmd. You can open the command line. After you open the command line, and make sure the command line is set into this folder. Next thing is, what you have to do is, if you're using Linux, just type this way, ZeroTier house token, and then you put the token that's given inside this website. So if you scroll down, you can get the command for the connect your account, and basically you just need to copy. You just need to copy all of them, and then blah blah blah. After that, but if you're using a Windows, just use this command. I mean X out token and blah 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 blah. You will get the token from this website. Up here, you'll log into your account. After that, after you type that, you will receive a success message like blah 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 restore to .yaml. I don't know the exact result, but that means it works. And then after that, you just need to do this. If you're using Linux, just use this command at your terminal, tcp region. Now if you are this command, I will explain it a little bit. So this region, if you are in an Asia Pacific, you can just type AP inside of that. But if you are from another region, there you go. If you are from the United States, just use the code US. If you are from Europe, you can just type EU. If you are from Asia or Pacific, yes, AP and etc. You can check their documentation. So this, for me, because I am from the Asia, I just choose AP, and then you insert the port from the Minecraft server. you know the default port for a micro server is 25565, so just type 25565. After that, if you enter it, oh yeah, that happened because I made another connection already. So if I can just check here, there we go. If you success, this thing will show in your terminal. For the Windows itself, it doesn't really different too much. Just use the ngrok.x if you're using Windows, but if you're using Linux, just type this to access the application. So after that, what you need to do, you just need to copy this IP and then you just share it to your friend, and that's it. But you can share this IP if the server itself already running. So if you don't know how to run the micro server, just type like this: Java XMX 1 GB or XMX 1 GB to char server to char no UI. So basically it define how much RAM allocation for your server. In case if you have better RAM, a lot more RAM, you can just increase it a little bit, like 2 GB or 3. You can also make it like this if you want. It means 1024 megabyte. I just keep it simple and type it like this. So after you typed it, you just hit enter, and then you need to wait until the server is run. Okay, and that's it. After the server running, and then it will say it's complete. After this, after everything is set, you can just, okay, that's it. The time elapsed at 7,000 milliseconds. After this message shown, it means that your micro server is running perfectly well. And then after that, you just need to copy this IP and then share it to your friend. And that's it. That's how you make a micro server in your computer for free here. And then the best thing is we don't need any Hamachi or Tango or ZeroTier, maybe those type of application. We don't need that. So it's really simple. And I forget to mention it that someone that need to download or register this to this website is only for the host. So if you are the host, the only one that need to register to the website is only you, and then the only one who download the ngrok application is just you. They don't need to download the same application as you. So what they need to just copy this IP and then share it to your friend. Just copy this and share it to your friends, and that's it. Okay, that's it. That's how you make a micro server. And just remember one thing, that this server is not gonna turn on 24 hours a day. It will not go a non-stop server unless the server will go down if you can't close this terminal, if you click exit. And also you do not want to exit this terminal as well, because it holds the tunnel for the user to connect to your computer. So don't close two of it. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, just ask me on my Discord server. I'll let the link in the description below.